Hi everyone, how are you doing? This is my first vlog. This is the first time I'm talking in my videos. I don't know if the sound is okay or not. So we will see later. Here we are in Albacete, Spain, and we are going to do a small trip today off-road. I'm trying the microphone of the camera, and I'm also trying for the first time my knee braces, so we will see how everything goes.
Pasamos dos.
Sí,
Derecha, ¿vale?
vale,
Luego izquierda. ¿Vale?
ok. Ahí está. This is amazing. I don't know. Okay, I think we need to cross here. Oh wow. So cool.
And yes, this was amazing. This is a plantation of black poplar or something I'm not sure how to pronounce. I'll put the name on the screen. And it was a perfect time to stop, to take some nice pictures and to use the drone for the first time. So here you have some of the nicest scenes. And then we found the shore of the reservoir, of Camarillas next to Hellin. And here we decided to stop to have a rest, pictures, and of course some lunch. Well, as you can see, Francesco de Neardentalis decided to go fishing, but in the old way.